Make science come to life with Ingeno STEM and Robotics Pro. A solution that combines the award-winning Ingeno building system, classroom and homeschooling-friendly software, and real-world projects linked to next-generation science and engineering standards. Ideal for late primary and secondary school children. Students can create, explore, and share their discoveries as they build, program, and modify models, helping to spark curiosity in science and a love for hands-on experimentation and investigation. Teachers are supported every step of the way, with 32 lesson plans that build students' confidence to ask questions, define problems, design solutions, and present their findings. Altogether, there are over 50 STEM models covering real-life science, engineering, and technology-focused constructions.
Ingeno helps me show my students real-life scenarios and learn how programming and engineering affect our daily lives. The Ingeno system builds in only 20 minutes and breaks down as fast as 3 minutes, which is great as it leaves plenty of room for my students to experiment with the model and learn.
Students can easily follow the 3D building instructions via tablets, mobile devices, or laptops, which helps them get started. The intuitive drag-and-drop design of the Kiro programming software makes it easy for both teachers and students to program the robots. The STEM and Robotics set helps teachers meet curriculum goals and nurture 21st century skills development by putting science discovery in your students' hands. Make science come to life for your students with STEM and Robotics Pro.